What if I told you the days of traditional surface cleaning and finishing methods were numbered? Well, that's true, but once you understand what vapor honing has to offer, you'll understand why. Today, we're putting vapor honing to the test. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, or precision manufacturing settings, what we're about to show you may redefine how you look at surface finishing or cleaning. Now, before we get started, you don't have to take any of the claims we make in this video without any validation. We offer a free application testing program, so if you have any parts that you would like to have this process validated on, you can send them in. We will blast it, video it, and send it back to you for free. That way you can understand what this process is capable of. Now, to explain what the vapor honing process is, it is a finishing and treatment process that combines water, abrasive, and compressed air to blast a part. Now, the benefit of adding water into the process is that it actually lowers the impact velocity of the abrasive as it's impacting the part. You might be thinking that this doesn't allow you to create rough surface profiles or actually effectively remove corrosion. That's why we've chosen this heavily corroded part that we're going to be blasting here. But a lot of that comes down to your abrasive selection. Now, we have videos detailing all of that you guys can go check out. We'll link those in the description below. What it actually means is that it does not damage your part. So you can put metals such as brass in here, which are softer, blast them with an aggressive media, effectively remove corrosion, but not damage the actual metal of the part itself. That also means that you can put rubbers inside of here, you can put plastics inside of here, and you don't have to worry about destroying them like you would with other blasting or removal processes. Now, another added benefit of adding water into the vapor honing process is that you do not have to worry about things like cutting fluids or small bits of hydraulic fluid or grease that's going to be involved in the process. Again, with traditional styles of blasting or other processes, having these contaminants can actually cause you to clog up a line or completely invalidate a batch of parts. But with vapor honing, that's no issue. Now, we do recommend you change your water out every 2 weeks if you were doing heavy degreasing, but besides that, again, it's absolutely no issue. All right, now that you guys have seen what vapor honing can do when it comes to corrosion removal, I want you to see what type of finish this thing can create. Now again, previously we were using aluminum oxide. In this machine, which is the VH800FL, we're gonna be using glass bead. Now glass bead's a spherical abrasive, so it's gonna actually roll across the surface. We're gonna take full advantage of that clean by flow effect that I was talking about earlier. I want you to see what type of finish this can create on an aluminum. Now, one benefit of vapor honing that I think is kind of understated is the fact that it's so beginner friendly. It's not like, again, traditional blasting processes where you have to worry about hot spotting from leaving the blasting gun in one position for too long or getting too close to the part. Anybody can walk up to this, and because it's so non-aggressive by nature, you don't have to worry about how you are treating the part. And you can get results like that every time. All right, now not only can this process work on clean parts like you just saw, but also dirty parts just like this. And the best part is it works exactly the same. All right, now again, the point of this video was just to show you guys visually what vapor honing is capable of. We're not gonna get too nitty-gritty into the details of how this is working. Again, you do not have to take what I'm saying at just face value. If you have parts that you are looking to achieve a better surface finish on, you're looking to prep for powder coating, prep for anodize, you can send it into us. We will validate it. We'll use multiple abrasives. That way you can see what process works best for you. And so you can also improve your product as a whole. Now again, this is not limited to companies. If you're an individual that just restores dirt bikes on the weekends, you can still send in an engine case. We'll blast it for you and send it back so you can see what vapor honing looks like on your parts. Now, if you guys have any questions about what you saw here today, if you want further detail on something, or if you want to see a specific part in a video, please put it in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys and trying to answer your questions. Now again, we do make videos daily, so we may have a video that we can actually send to you right away, but if not, we love making videos specifically based on y'all's questions. So if you do have a question, make sure to put it in the comments below. And with that, thank you all for watching. Hope you found this informative, and we'll see you in the next one.